Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We're tracking Hurricane Irma, and as of early Friday, still a Category 4 storm with those winds sustained at 150 miles per hour. Now, this is down a little bit since just a few days ago, which at one point was 185 miles per hour, one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin. But even with that weakening, still a very strong, very life-threatening storm. Hurricane warnings have been posted across the Bahamas, Cuba, even into southern Florida, and we are expecting some significant impacts, unfortunately, to these particular locations. So this is the visible satellite from early this morning. The eye still well defined, but it is starting to go through that eye wall replacement, which means that we've had some weakening. You can see that the eye is spreading out just a little bit. Now, as we head into the next couple of days here, at least in the next day, we may have some strengthening, and that'll be due to the fact that water temperatures here just south of Florida are very warm. Latest track from the National Hurricane Center shows that hard northerly turn as expected. We were just kind of wondering where is it expected to take that hard northerly turn, and at this point it looks like it'll be hugging the west coast of Florida, which unfortunately puts the eastern side of Florida and the southern portions of Florida kind of in that worst case scenario as we have more of a direct impact in the strongest winds and the waves. The strongest winds likely to be exceeding 100 miles per hour, and we are going to have a very dangerous storm surge here as well. Hurricane warnings, hurricane watches have been posted in those areas. Already seeing some of those outer bands from Irma impact the area by Friday, but the strongest winds and waves arriving as we get into Saturday night, and then by Sunday the entire storm will be enveloping Florida. The entire state will be seeing at least hurricane to tropical storm force winds. Again, the most significant impacts being felt over the southern half of the state. A lot of rain, could be talking 12 plus inches in those areas. We're also still watching Jose as that'll be impacting the Lesser Antilles.